So we're gonna remove the transmission because we think the transmission is bad, that gear. So I've disconnected the rod, and I've also disconnected it over here, and it's a 19 millimeter. It has some thread sealant on it, so it will be kind of hard, but you can keep working at it and it should come loose. Okay, so when that 19 millimeter bolt comes out, it's got a lot of that blue Loctite. Then the boomerang just comes out. I disconnected it, and again, look, those are fine. To get to the actual transmission, you got to go behind this piece right here, okay? This is a little cover that goes right under it. So, it's a little foamy. You pull it back, and then you pull it down like this, and then you should have access to 13 millimeter bolts inside here. It's tight, so there's 3 of them, and you should be able to get to it, okay? One. They got little orange marks on them. These, once you break, they just come right out. Two, and those are the ones you can see, but there's actually a third one right here up against here that you have to feel for, and then find it, and then get you. That's it. Remember, they're not on tight, so all I have to do is break it, and they just come free. There we go. Three. There we go. And then I undid the power cable over here, so I have a little extra room. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to release the cable just a little bit, so I have extra play here. And it's just these little screw-on plastic clips. You can use a screwdriver for them, but these are turning fairly easily. I'll show you what it looks like right down in here. There's 2 of them. And they hold the foam in place at the top. They just look just like that, okay? So then I just lift and just pry that up. And then I can play with the, and then I separate it from the under foam. I don't know if you can see that, but there's under foam there. And then I'm gonna just, and this is for the water drainage. And I hope I can get it all back in there when it's all said and done. But this will get to the cable, because the cable runs, the drive cable runs right here. Okay. Alright, so then grab it and pull, and hopefully it comes out. It is tight. Ah! Okay, so once you get it loosened, I took the foam away from this whole area. Then the transmission will come out, I hope. Okay. So this one has the connector. Okay. Right here. And then we should be able to pull it out. But this one has the, on the left side here, has the electric connector, and I'm going to work on that. Give me a second. Alright, so on the driver's side there was a electric connector, probably for the limiting of the travel, and this is the side that I think that the gear is bad. So you pull it out, pull it out like that, there's the cable, and then right here you have, I don't know if you can see that, but right here you have the release for the cable. You just pry it up just a little bit, and then you should be able to pull this cable out. So here we go. And then the cable comes right out. Get a little more back. There you go. And then the cable's free. And there's a drive cable. And then you have a transmission. Okay, so that's how you remove a transmission. All right, good luck.